Hi, I'm Lucy Jennings. I learned to weave way back in my college days, and since then I've enjoyed many years of weaving and teaching too. I was lucky to learn in a weaving class because all the looms and equipment I needed were right there for me. But you probably don't have that luxury, and those big looms can get expensive. That's why I love lap looms. They're not too expensive, and it's the perfect way for a beginner to give weaving a try. So I've made this series, Weave Your Way. It focuses on using a lap loom to learn the basic techniques often used in tapestry. And I named it Weave Your Way because I want to encourage you to use it as a stepping stone to find your own voice in weaving. In each project in this series, you'll learn the basic shapes and techniques and be confident and feel ready to start your own weaving journey. Weaving is an age-old craft, and there are many approaches to weaving a tapestry. I'm going to show you the most easy way with the least amount of rules. Because, as in most things in life, the less rules, the more fun it is. I think you'll find weaving's meditative rhythm relaxing and soothing. All of the projects in the Weave Your Way series focus on nature, because what could be more restful than weaving nature?